Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, April 26, 2022 on our channel. Split air conditioning systems market is expected to reach $202.35 BN by 2031. Watsco Incorporated reported record operating results for the first quarter. ACCA seeks 2022 Service Manager of the Year nominations. So, first news today. Split air conditioning systems market is expected to reach $202.35 BN by 2031. Description: the increasing global temperature, changes in weather and climatic conditions, increase in the adoption of novel smart home systems and solutions, powered through Internet of Things or IoT technologies, and the rising construction of commercial infrastructure are some of the leading drivers for the growth within the global split air conditioning systems market. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Watsco Incorporated reported record operating results for the first quarter. Watsco Incorporated reported record operating results for the first quarter ended March 31, 2022. Performance highlights: 34% sales growth to a record $0.52 billion. 109% increase in EPS to a record $0.90 on record net income attributable to Watsco of million. 109% increase in operating income to a record million, 400 basis point operating margin expansion to 11. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. ACCA seeks 2022 Service Manager of the Year nominations. The Air Conditioning Contractors of America, ACCA, is seeking nominations for its 2022 Service Manager of the Year award. Each year, ACCA presents the Service Manager of the Year award to one outstanding individual. This year, ACCA will present the award at ACCA's Service Managers Forum, taking place September 14 to 15, 2022, in Baltimore, Maryland. Service managers who work for an ACCA member company in good standing are eligible and must be nominated by their company's owner, president, or general manager. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.